Hi everyone! If you want to use two apps at the same time on your Honor X6e, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable split screen and use the multi-window feature for easy multitasking. We'll go through every step. From opening split screen mode to adjusting the window size and switching between apps, this guide is quick, beginner-friendly, and takes just a minute.